Okay. I'm gonna make one video of basically the finished product. It's gonna look different in August. That's the time when we install this canoe. So this is my Ulu canoe, breadfruit canoe. It's another hybrid project that I've done. So the Va'a, the canoe, is a Hawaiian style canoe. It's modeled after a canoe built in Waipio in the 1800s. And then the outrigger system is very South Pacific in style, yeah? So, anyways, this is a chandelier. It has 5 LED downlights, so they're mounted in the bottom of the Va'a, facing down. And then there are 8 lights, LED spotlights, mounted like so. And they are positioned to illuminate the sides of the canoe. So these lights are set on 2 different circuits. So you could flip the switch, the sides of the canoe will light up, flip the other switch, and then the table underneath the canoe will illuminate. Because of that, I had to build a false floor in the canoe to hide all of the lighting. And what we do is we simply remove, and there's the lighting box inside one of them. It looks the same on the other side. And let me remove this too. The canoe is going to hang from this steel H harness. This is carriage bolted through the sides of the canoe. This is 1/4 inch steel. Hopefully you can see this. And from that we will use 3/16 inch braided aircraft cable to hang this canoe. So there'll be 2 main cables. One here, 5.5 feet down near the back of the canoe. There'll be another one there. Those will support the canoe from the ridge beam in the house. And then to stop the canoe from swaying, I have a little eye hook, or it's a eye bolt. It's actually a through bolt on either side of the deck, and those will go up on like a 45-degree angle up into the purlins of the roof. So it's a bamboo deck. It's been distressed to look old. The customer wants this canoe to look as traditional as possible. So we're not going to put varnish or wax or anything on this canoe. We're just going to let it patina a nice dark brown. So that's Ulu, breadfruit. The outrigger system is, the Iako is mahogany. It's laminated so that it won't bend over time. We don't want it to sag because gravity is always going to be pulling down on it. And then the amas are basswood. I wanted to use like wili traditional woods to make the amas, but it doesn't quite have the same kind of bite, holding power that basswood has. So the next best thing. So that's the canoe. It's almost, well, it's 11 feet 10 inches long, I believe, from front to back, and from side to side, from each ama, it's 5.5 feet wide, and it will be suspended so that it is 7.5 feet above the floor, from a ridge beam that is, I believe, roughly 18 to 20 feet up. So it's going to look dramatic. I'm looking forward to it. So probably the next video that I post will be in a few months, when we hang this canoe, and you'll see it in its final spot here. So anyways, one more canoe finished. Woohoo! Okay, shoots.